Welcome to Classy Fashion Ideas. So, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas. And secondly, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So, friends, as far as we are concerned about this video, then this video is the continuation of my previous video in which I have shared some very easy, simple hand embroidery all over designs for beginners. So in this video I'll be sharing some more beautiful, pretty, amazing, and yet they would require some more effort to make and some more time. But these designs are also entirely for the beginners. They can easily make them because these all over designs only require 1 or 2 hand embroidery stitches, and the whole embroidery pattern could be made easily by knowing only 1 or 2 embroidery stitches. So you can use these embroidery patterns for a number of ways. That is, you can use the designs of embroidery for dress designing as well as for your home decor. And in dress designing, you can use them for an all over spray onto your shirt, long, medium or short length kurti, frocks, or full body length maxi, gown, anarkali suits, Punjabi suits, and much more. And for baby dress designing, you can use these all over design patterns onto the shirts or onto the yokes of frocks, or as some spray on sleeves or body of frocks. Now let's talk about how you can use these design patterns for your home decor. Then the answer to this question is very simple. You can use these all over sprays for designing your cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, table mats, and a variety of ways. It depends on your requirements and the taste of your choice. So thank you so much for watching the video. Stay blessed, stay tuned with us, because I am going to make some more videos regarding to this topic, that is of overall hand embroidery design patterns. And if some of you haven't watched my previous video on all over designs, then go back and see those designs. Those designs are also very amazing, mesmerizing, and eye-catching. So I hope after watching this video you would get amazing ideas, color combinations, embroidery patterns, and you would have make up your mind that how you are going to start your hand embroidery patterns and how you are going to design your dresses by using hand embroidery designs. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Keep supporting us, keep watching my content, and keep loving me like this. Share my videos with your friends and family, and if you like, then do press the like button. Take care.